Hello everyone, Namaste. This is Tiara Dhar. As promised, I am here before you today to launch the calendar 2021. Okay, so I cannot even tell you, I can't describe in words as to how excited I am about this particular thing. There have been so many of you who have been asking me as to when is calendar 2021 coming, or am I at all releasing a calendar 2021 this time? So yes, here it is, calendar 2021. As you can see that this calendar, the theme of calendar 2021 is mandalas. Right, so last year it was a set of 12 plus 1 actually for the cover page as well. Those were pictures which were clicked by me during all of my travels. So this time I tried to do something different, so I chose art. So these are mandalas that have been designed by me. So what is the speciality of these mandalas? So as we all know, mandalas are obviously beautiful. So apart from the beauty aspect of mandalas, they also have another significance attached to it, which is that they are used for meditation as well. So this particular calendar, the new offering of mine, actually is a bit special in respect that you can also meditate with these mandalas. Any of the choices, any mandala of your choice, you can pick up and you can meditate on them as well. So wherever you are, be it in your at your work desk or even in your home, so you can always choose the one which appeals to you most, or the one which you feel called towards, and you can meditate on them. Now you might ask me that Tiara, all of that is fine, but I don't know how to meditate, or I don't know how to meditate on the mandalas. Yeah, so here's the thing. Along with every purchase of the calendar 2021, you will also receive an e-instruction booklet, which is in the PDF format. You will be receiving them on your email IDs. Now, the calendar 2021 is priced at rupees 999, and the value of the e-instruction booklet is rupees 299. However, going by understanding that some of you might not be knowing as to how to meditate, and you might require instruction. So keeping that in mind, I have decided to release the calendar 2021 with the price of rupees 999, and the e-instruction booklet comes along with it, free of cost. Well, so to order calendar 2021, you will have to either send me an email at lifecoachtiara@gmail.com, or you could also directly send me a message in Facebook Messenger or in my Facebook page as a message, or you could also send me a direct message in my Instagram page. My Instagram handle is Tiara the Storyteller, and my Facebook page is Tiara Dhar Creations. So, well, I truly believe that 2021 is a year where you can start afresh. As we all know, 2020 has been very challenging for many of us. Actually, it has affected everyone to certain degrees, So, however, there is one thing which is always prevalent, which is the hope in every human's heart, right? So keeping that particular hope intact, let's strive forward joyfully towards 2021 with that hope intact, and keep striving forward to making our dreams come true. Yeah. So yes, that's it, my friends. Okay, so the calendar 2021 is available for sale in India only, and the e-booklet is not to be sold separately. It only comes when you purchase the calendar 2021. Yeah. So as I said again, the calendar 2021 has got a set of 12 mandalas on which you can meditate. Instructions for the meditations have been included in the e-instruction booklet. However, you can always still purchase the calendar for the beauty aspect of it, and you can also use it as a tool for meditation. If you have not yet started meditating, then I would really invite you to give meditation a try, because since the time I have really started taking meditation seriously and practicing it on a daily basis, I have really received the benefits that it really has. Yeah. So yeah, thank you so much, dear friends. I hope you all have a very happy new year, and of course, Merry Christmas. So enjoy, take care, stay safe, stay blessed, and just keep spreading the joy and happiness from within you towards outside of you. Yeah. Thank you so much. Take care. Namaste.